Hello, welcome back to 5-7 again. Point slope form. Our final example, we're going to find out if we have some points from a linear function. Can we write that linear function and use that in order to make prediction for other values that would be missing from our table? Okay. So this problem says that the cost to place an ad in a newspaper for 1 week is a linear function. So it's telling you straight up it's a linear function. And the independent variable, which is going to represent the x, we'll say x here, would be the number of lines in your newspaper ad. And the dependent variable is going to be the cost. So if your newspaper ad is going to have 3 lines, so it would look kind of like that. See how there's three lines right there? Then it's going to cost $13.50. That's actually pretty cheap. I think real newspaper ads are way more than that. 5 lines is going to be $18.50, and 10 lines is going to be $31. Okay? So it looks like this could be a linear function. What we want to do is we want to write the equation of this in slope-intercept form. Again, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So my process is that I'm going to start by using point slope form. That's the section that we're in. Do I have a point? Yes, I have 3 points. Do I have the slope? Not yet. Can I find the slope? Of course I can. Now this is telling me it's a linear function. You can check it. I can use these 2 points, these 2 points, or these 2 points. It doesn't matter. I can start with these two, or these 2. It's all good, no matter what. Maybe I might want the smaller numbers. Might be a little bit easier. I don't know. We'll see. All right. So this is going to be my, I have to put it like right here. That's going to be my first x. That's going to be my second x. This is going to be my first y. This is going to be my second y. Of course, this could be x3, y3, but I don't know if I'm going to need that. We can check it to see if it actually works. We'll see, all right? But I'm taking them for the word that it is a linear function. You can use any of these points. So what's my slope? My slope is going to be y2, $18.50, $18.50, subtract y1, $13.50, divided by x2, which is 5, subtract my first x, which is 3. All right, 1850 subtract 1350 is 5. So this is going to be 5. There's a $5 difference between that. 5 lines subtract 3 lines is 2. So it's $5 for 2 lines, or the slope is going to be 2.5 or $2.50 for 1 line. Though, excuse me, not for 1 line. There's an initial fee. I did not mean to say that. That would be the rate of change. So it's $2.50 for an increase. This does not start at $2.50. All right. So there's an initial fee, which we'll get to when we figure out what the slope-intercept form is. Okay. So we'll get there. Now let's take our information and put it in point slope form. Y subtract y1. My y1 is $13.50. Equals my slope, which is 2.5, times x subtract x1, which is 3. Now, don't worry, don't panic about the decimals. You can do it. You can multiply with decimals. It's okay. You can even do this in your head. I'm going to do y subtract 1350. Leave that alone for a moment. 2.5 times x. 2.5 times negative 3 is negative 7.5. And if I add 13.5, and I know I'm changing how many decimal places, I should put a 0 right there. I should go to like 2 decimal places because we're talking about money. Plus 13.5. Then I get y equals 2.50. See what I did there? X. And negative 7.5 plus 13.5, that's like 13.5 subtract 7.5. which is going to be $6. So what this is telling me is that your initial cost is going to be $6. So you have to pay $6 no matter what. And this is the increase per line. So you start with $6, and if you have one line, it's $2.50 plus $6, which would be $8.50. So let's try that with 10. Let's see if that works. Okay. So if I let x equals 10, I get 2.5 times 10 plus $6. All right. 250 times 10 is going to be $25. And $25 plus 6 equals $31. So yes, I'd have to pay $31 under this charging system. So finally, my last question is, what if I have 18 lines? Well, just like I did here, I'm going to use 18 instead of 10. So y equals 250 times 18 plus 6. All right, now you're probably thinking, quick, I need to grab a calculator. 250 times 18. All right. One way you can think of it, I'm going to put it up here. 250 times 18. If I double this and half that, now I've got 5 times 9. See what I did there? Because I got 250 18 times, so that's the same as having 5 9 times. And 5 times 9 I can do. That's easy. If you want to grab a calculator, if you don't believe me, that's fine. I get $45 plus I have to pay that initial $6. So my final bill, if I have 18 lines, is going to be $51. And I should probably put a $sign in front of there. All right, we will see you in the next video.